Dear all, today we will learn basic concepts of GMP. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practices. While working in company, we need to follow some procedures and methods as per GMP guidelines. GMP helps us to work in proper way to avoid any contamination of food packaging products. GMP help us to manufacture our products with quality and food safety. It helps to get our customer confidence to our products. GMP avoids any contamination of products and thus helps in reducing rejections or bad products. It helps to ensure hygiene and discipline in plant. Let us learn basic GMP practices to be followed one by one. Please take a clean bath every day at home, before coming to company work. Keep yourself neat, bacterial or any contamination to your hands or body. Use neat and clean cloths. No any bad odor should be there to cloths. And go to doctor, take medicine and take rest at home. Do not come for work till you gets cure, as communicable diseases can spread to other people working nearby you in your area. If you have skin disease, go to doctor and take medicine. Come to work after treatment. Trim nails weekly to avoid accumulation dirt in nails to avoid contamination. No nail polish or decoration is allowed as it can peel in product while working. No fancy hairstyle is allowed as hairs can fall inside product or at production area. Keep hairs normal and short to the extent possible. No lipstick allowed. No use of jewelry allowed while at work. Do not use chains, rings, earrings, handbands, bracelet, beads in hair, false eyelids, false nails, etc. Wash hands properly, before starting work, after eating food, after any maintenance work and after use of washrooms to avoid any possible contamination. Follow proper procedure for hand washing. First, wash hand with water, then, take 4 to 5 drops of hand wash liquid solution on hands, rub palms, rub fingers, rub thumbs. Follow hand washing procedure shown on screen. Rub hands for at least 20 seconds for better cleaning and disinfection of hands. Then clean hands with water and dry it with hot air. Use water taps and hand wash liquid dispenser gently with care to avoid its damage. Use hand wash liquid with responsibility. Use toilet paper for washroom. Do not throw toilet paper on floor. Do not throw gloves in washroom. Do not throw any food wrappers or soap covers on floor in washroom. Use it with responsibility as disciplined person. Close taps gently after its use to avoid any damage. Close door while doing urination. Do not do urination in standing position as it will cause contamination. Sit properly on commode and do urination as responsible person. Flush with water after use. Clean any water on it with toilet paper before coming out as good person. Keep doors closed after use of toilets. Do not write or paste labels on doors or walls of toilets. Wash hands properly after every use of washroom. Use net caps properly. Take ears and all hairs inside net cap. Use net cap for longer time. Try to keep it clean and do not throw it on floor after its use. Use nose mask while cleaning dust at height or at any work area. Use gloves while handling products. Do not throw gloves on floor, keep them in dustbin when not required. Keep gloves clean while using. Use gloves with responsibility, do not throw them outside plant or on floor during work. Do not throw them in washroom or near lockers. Do not throw paper pieces or labels on floor. Throw them in dustbin. Handle color containers with care to avoid color contamination to floor, curtain strips, dustbins and walls while handling them. Use clean shoes while working inside plant. Avoid use of sandals or slippers as it can cause slippage. Ladies should not use high heel sandals as it can slip and fall. Use neat and clean t-shirt and pant. No fancy clothes with cuts or buttons allowed. Buttons can fall inside product, so please avoid them. Keep clothes clean. There should not be any contamination or bad odor to cloths. Always keep doors, windows, and gates closed. It will help to avoid entry of pests and dust inside plant. Always close them after your work. No smoking, no alcohol, and no food allowed inside plant. Smoking is only allowed at smoking zone at gym area. Food is only at cafeteria. No photography or video shooting allowed except authorized people. No mobile use is allowed to workers, contractors, and visitors without permission during work. Respect yellow markings and pathways inside plant. Do not keep any material on yellow markings like totes, boxes, pallets, etc. Do not push pallet, totes, and boxes kept on floor and markings by hand. Use hand pallet to transfer them to avoid scratches on floor. Respect dustbins kept at different locations inside plant. Use them gently. Avoid damaging dustbins with rough handling. Do not push them backside without reason as it touched to wall and causes scratches on wall. Do not block them by keeping any pallets or material in front of them. Use them to keep waste in it as per color code. Follow green color code trash bins to keep food waste, white color code trans to keep paper waste, and blue color code for keeping plastic waste. Respect pest control traps placed inside plant. Do not block them by keeping any material near it. Do not damage them while working near it. If any pest control trap gets damaged by you, immediately inform to your supervisor or systems manager to keep new one at that location. Respect fire extinguishers placed inside plant for fire safety. Do not block them by keeping any material in front of them. Do not use red-colored fire extinguishers while doing general maintenance work. Use black-colored fire extinguishers for general maintenance work like welding and fabrication. Please respect and follow no allergens policy. Do not take any allergenic food inside plant like tree nuts, peanuts, milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, wheat grains, soya seeds inside production area. Do not take any medicines inside production area. Eating food is only allowed inside cafeteria, so please follow that procedure. Handle chemicals safely like hydraulic oil, grease, antiscolants, cleaning chemicals, colors, etc. See material safety data sheet of related chemicals before handling them to know the precautionary steps to be taken during any accident or spillage. Use required personal protective equipments during handling of chemicals. Keep machines and equipments clean related to your work area. Remove leftovers after any maintenance and clean area properly to avoid any contamination. Clean machines and hands properly after any maintenance. Ensure that required equipment is calibrated and in good condition to use to avoid any deviation or accident. Please respect and follow emergency evacuation plan during any emergency like fire, earthquake, tsunami, hurricane, people agitation, and terrorist attack. For fire and earthquake emergencies, immediately stop your machine by pressing emergency button and run to emergency evacuation point. Take any guest, contractor, or visitor with you at that time. Follow instructions of your seniors during emergency and act accordingly. Dear all, this is all about GMP, follow it. Thanks.